Hello, good day, Waploaded Crypto Academy students. Today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin again. Well, at this point, you already know how it goes. The thing is, yesterday we had a prediction that Bitcoin price will be going all the way up to 35,000 when it got to the previous resistance of around 33,800 and crossed it over to nearly 34,000. Well, a lot of news have occurred yesterday, and this changed the direction of Bitcoin as a lot of investors were taking profit, and there was a lot of transaction going on the Bitcoin network. So everything, crashed down a little bit. So Bitcoin currently came back down to its accumulation stage where many investors are looking at buying into Bitcoin, because a lot of investors are looking at buying into Bitcoin at 33,000. And if you notice, as soon as the market dropped down to that accumulation phase, everybody started buying in again, and you can still see that there is a bullish momentum already forming up. The bull candles are already forming up immediately from that point. And just like yesterday, I pointed out that if you were going in on a buy, that you should expect to buy into the market around 33,200, because I expected a little bit of drop on Bitcoin yesterday, but I didn't expect it to get all the way down to 33,000 itself. Well, with all that being said, we are still intact, because if your stop loss wasn't hit yesterday, where you bought into Bitcoin at 33,000 and then 33,200, you would possibly be back to your entry level at the moment, because from the way I see it, Bitcoin is going to rally up again. We are slightly beneath the moving average, the 50 moving average, and this is simply because Bitcoin is currently at its accumulation phase. So as you know, investors are going to be buying into the market. Let's check the previous history, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. You see that whenever the market gets to this point, a lot of people are buying into the market. Whenever the market gets to this point, a lot of people are buying into the market. That's what we call accumulation phase. So Bitcoin is back at this level, and then we are going to still expect it to do the same. It's going to go all the way up, because a lot of investors are buying into Bitcoin, and as you know, it is resulting to inflation of the US dollar. So let's follow this trend and then see what the market is going to play out. We are going to be expecting the market to get all the way up to 33,800 again, and even 34,000 anytime soon. But this is just the price analysis for today. The market will be coming all the way up to recover and refill this little gap there, because we are still ranging in between this zone. You see that we broke the trend. So when we get back up to 34,000, let's see if the market is going to start going further up or then drop down. But everybody is expecting that Bitcoin is going to get all the way up to 40 to 45,000 in the nearest future, which could happen in days or weeks. But as a time being, we are currently having a lot of jump arounds on the coin. And if you're also going to be looking at it from the indicator aspect, you could see that we are still above the 50 points. Let me just zoom that in. We are still currently above 50 points on the RSI, you can see, and this indicates a continuous trend. Yesterday the market was here before the drawdown, and then we quickly recovered back into the 50 points. And whenever, as you know, it's on the RSI principles, whenever the market is above 50 points, it means that the trend is still strong on the bullish side. Whenever the market is beneath the 50 points, you know that the trend have changed direction completely. So let's expect a lot of more bullish momentum at the moment. So do not panic or do not be scared, as the market is still on your side. So that will be all we'll be saying now. Thank you for watching the video today, and kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated daily